Welcome back to the Vernon Speakeasy YouTube channel. My name is Josh Morey. I am your host, bar manager of Vernon's, and your, cocktail aficionado for the video. Let's go ahead and build a dry martini. I think this is the most approachable version to have, and it gives you like a real example of just a classic martini. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this glass that I spritzed the vermouth in, because that's how I like to do it anyways, and that's what the recipe calls for. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 ounces of my Wheatley vodka directly into the stirring tin. Perfect. Now, I atomized the glass with the spritz of the vermouth, but I like vermouth, so I'm gonna do just a little bit extra vermouth. Again, bar spoon. And you want to fill the spoon. I get a little extra, but it's okay. Just 1 bar spoon. Some ice, and now we're gonna chill this one. And I like this drink extremely cold, so while I am stirring this cocktail, I'm gonna go ahead, put some ice in my cocktail martini flutes, set it to the side, and begin to stir. Now, the technique I'm using to stir, you can do with your hand this way, you can do upside down. The important thing is that when you're stirring, you're not raking the spoon through like this. You're having it hug the outside of the container. This will help chill your cocktail without bruising it. So again, 10-15 seconds, we're just gonna go ahead, keep stirring, keep chilling this up, diluting a little bit, because dilution is an overlooked fact of cocktails. Usually about 30% of your drink is dilution. Perfect. Now, I'm done with this ice. I don't need it anymore. It just served its purpose. I'm using what's called a julep strainer here. Your kit does not have one of these. They're available online at the store. You can get them everywhere. You can use your hawthorn strainer though. It's the same thing. Now, last but not least, for this cocktail, I like to serve this with the twist. I'm not a big fan of dirty martinis. For those of you who love them, I make them for you all the time. I see the appreciation for it, but if I'm making myself one, I'm gonna make it like this. And I'm just getting some of this lemon peel. I want a nice thick peel too. You could garnish it like this, but it's not refined. Take a little bit of extra time, and I promise whoever you're making your cocktail for will appreciate it, because not only does it look good, but it shows that you're putting a little bit more effort. 45-degree cut on a bias. So now, it's a clean, nice, tidy one. And I'm gonna spritz the oils from that into my glass, into my cocktail. Give it a twist. Now you can also rub it on the outside of the glass, because you're basically just imbuing this cocktail with the aroma of citrus, which does a lot. It's a little thing, but it makes a big difference. Cheers to your vodka martini. Dry vodka martini with a lemon twist. Oh, that's good. The vermouth quiets that vodka down. I mean, when you're using a good spirit, you don't really have to contend with bad off flavors, but you just have more of a balanced drink. It's so tasty, and then the citrus, you can smell it, you can taste it. It brings everything all together. Cheers.